Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar again, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar again, I definitely think it's the end of a wave 5, and if it is the end of a wave 5, eventually it will go down and take out the low wave 4. Now this is the monthly time frame, so it literally could take maybe 8 months or a year before it actually does break that low, but that's really good news for us because it should give us a general direction for the coming months. Going down to the weekly time frame, I would definitely say this is all still one downtrend, which I would definitely call either a wave A or a wave 1. I think it's likely a wave 1, but I always like to leave my options open, which is why I always say A or 1, so that way I don't get surprised if it does make an ABC correction, and I assume that it's a wave 1. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I've been saying, I still think this looks like a 1, 2, 3. I still think we're in a wave 4, and I still think we're likely to push down again for wave 5, and that will be the completion of this wave A or wave 1. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on just the last wave down. I don't think the correction is over, and if you are a very short time frame trader, you could probably still be looking for longs. I would expect it to go up to one of these Fibonacci levels, then make a big engulfing move down, then make a breaker structure, which we definitely don't have yet. So I definitely personally am still waiting for the sorting opportunity, but if you are a short time frame trader, you could probably still be looking for longs on the very short time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm very confident that this is not over yet. I think there's a very good chance that it's probably going to end up doing something like that. I think that it'll probably go up to the 50% level, and this is going to be probably still a corrective wave 4. I just don't expect that the wave 4 is over. So like I said, if you do trade like below the 1 hour time frame, then you definitely could possibly get some longs out of it. Or if you're more of a swing trader like I am, then you could definitely be waiting for the end of this correction to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Likely a wave 3 over here. Most likely we're in a wave 4, and then we'll probably go back down again for a wave 5. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.